Let's get you all the details about the BJP's latest campaign in Bengal. It's a farmer outreach called Ek Mutho Chal. Now, the campaign is essentially a door-to-door rice collection drive. The BJP is aiming to approach 74 lakh farmers via this particular campaign. BJP workers will be travelling across Bengal. So they're going to be covering 48,000 villages. 23 districts will be covered across Bengal in this campaign. The BJP workers essentially will be seeking rice as alms from these farmers. So they'll go to their house and collect a fistful of rice. Now, these grains collected will be used in a community kitchen to serve the poor as well as the downtrodden farmers. So this is the mega campaign that the BJP has in mind, with a national focus of also addressing the farmers' protest in the country. And let me take this across now to Manogya Loiwal. She's joining us live from Burdwan in West Bengal. That's where JP Nadda is going to be to launch off this mega campaign and an outreach to farmers, really. Manogya, good morning. Give us a sense of, what JP Nadda's itinerary looks like today.
Well, it's 2021 and the first visit of JP Nadda, the national president, here in the state of West Bengal. It's all set up. This is a 550-year-old temple, Radha Gobind temple, where he'll be arriving in just a few minutes from now. So, Vida, give us an idea, क्या importance है इसकी and what is the significance of his arrival today?
बात है कि ये किसान को सुरक्षा देने के लिए आज ये रैली का उद्घाटन हो रहा है। इस रैली के दौरान हम कृषकों के लिए जो बिल किया गया है उसमें जो विरोध हो रहा है वो इतना दिन तक कृषकों ने हम लोगों ने देखा कि हर प्रदेश में फसल की जो एमएसपी होता है वो ठीक से मिलता नहीं।
This is a very significant point that you're saying, but as far as the preparations are concerned, these are gala preparations here with flowers, peacock feather, and of course dhan, paddy, everything that you would see here, and of course some rice also. But this is for the prayers and the offerings that would be done. What is the significance of it, Sri Rupali?
Today we are launching a campaign called Ek Mutho Chal. Our national president Mananiya Nadda ji, he is coming all the way from Delhi to launch this campaign. It's going to be in 58,000 villages thereafter. Today he is arriving here. We are going to welcome him with a traditional Bengali style kulo, dhan, dubbo, etc. And then after this puja in the temple, he is going to go to a Krishak rally, which is going to be one of the big mega rally of the farmers, and in that rally he is going to launch this Ek Mutho Chal campaign, and after that he is going to go to the houses of farmers and going to seek one handful of rice.
You're facing protest in the central government, isn't it the double standard of your party here in Bengal?
Well, that is a Birodhi Goshti of some people who just don't like Modi ji, and they just have to do something or other. Whenever Modi ji is launching a flagship campaign, they are out there on the street just like another Shaheen Bagh.
Well, whatever you call it, but here in West Bengal, this is a very, very significant trip, a tour where he is not only going to visit the temples, having lunch and meals with the farmers, but also launching one of the most offensive campaign for the 74 lakh farmers across the state today. And this is also a message that the party is trying to send across from the state of West Bengal to the people of West Bengal.
And the focus not just on Bengal, but this will have national resonance, because we're talking about this kind of an outreach happening at a time when there are protests against the farm laws happening across India, the BJP being branded anti-farmer. It is to counter that narrative that you're seeing this happen in Bengal. Manogya, will keep coming to you through the day. For the moment, thank you for joining us.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.